Alright y'all, today we're going to be making a Reuban casserole. Pretty simple. It's mostly just assemblage. We have some sliced corned beef. We have some Thousand Island. We have some Swiss cheese that we still need to shred. Some sauerkraut and some rye bread. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Now there really is no measurements with this, just because everyone's casserole dish is a different size. Everyone's preferences are a little different. But we're just going to tear up our rye bread into small pieces. And we want to make a solid single layer of our rye bread. Now we're just going to take some of our Thousand Island. And some of our corned beef. Now we're just going to take our sauerkraut. And then we're going to take our shredded Swiss cheese. A little more of our Thousand Island. And just another thin layer of our rye bread. This doesn't have to be a full layer. Sprinkle a little more Swiss on top of that. Now we're going to throw this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes until it's heated all the way through. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there you have it, a Reuban casserole. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If there's anything you want to see made on this channel, go ahead, leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.